Hello and welcome to the special lecture series on socio-religious reformers in India. In today's class, I'll be talking about some of the important facts as well as contributions associated with none other than Justice Mahadev Ranade. As far as the birth year and death year is concerned, 1842 is the birth year and 1901 is the death year. So let's get started. The first point is of immense importance because he is one of the founding members of Congress. Thereafter, we see that he established Samajik Parishad and Deccan Social Reform Association. Now, he was one of the pioneers of religious reformers in India, and therefore we see that with the help of Samajik Parishad as well as Deccan Social Reform Association, he initiated reforms. Thereafter, we see that he was also closely associated with some of the important educational institutions in the country, and therefore we see one of the very prominent girls' schools in Pune, and he was associated with that school, and its name is Huzur Paga. Thereafter, we also see his contribution towards establishment of New English School as well as Deccan Education Society. This was happening relatively during the later part of 1800s, which is relatively around 1885. Thereafter, we also see that in 1887 he founded something called as Indian Social Conference. Now, another important part is that he also worked through certain organizations, and they are listed here. The first organization is Vakrutvottejak Sabha, which also hosts Vasant Vyakhyan Mala. This Vasant Vyakhyan Mala has been hosted by this organization since 1885. So therefore, this is again an important thing which is associated with Justice Ranade and also the Sabha. Thereafter, he was also associated with Ved Shastra Uttejak Sabha, then Sahitya Sammelan as well as Translation Society. So you can see his presence was also there in terms of certain reform association as well as educational associations. Thereafter, we also regard him as one of the founders, or rather the founder of Indian economics, and therefore Ranade or Justice Ranade is regarded as the father or founder of Indian economics. Let us now move to an important fact which is associated with Justice Ranade, which at times is really difficult for students to recollect or remember. He joined the Prathna Samaj in 1870s, but he is not the founder of Prathna Samaj. There are times wherein there are certain questions wherein the organizations try to bluff you, and it is Justice Ranade was just a member of Prathna Samaj. He did not establish it. It was rather established by two brothers named as Dadoba Pandurang and Atmaram Pandurang, and this Samaj, which is Prathna Samaj, was established in the year 1870. Justice Mahadev Ranade joined it in 1870s. He is not the founding members. So this is very important fact associated with Justice Ranade. Thereafter, he was given certain titles, and one of the very prominent titles is the title of Rao Bahadur. Thereafter, he was also awarded the decoration Companion of the Order of Indian Empire, or CIE, that is Companion of the Order of Indian Empire by the British government. So these are certain titles associated with him. Thereafter, he also had envisaged industrialization, and therefore he supported industrialization and he established industrial conference as well. Thereafter, we see that he revolted against the caste system as well as the Parda system or veil system which was existent back then. Thereafter, Justice Ranade was also a member of Widow Remarriage Association. This is very important association, Widow Remarriage Association, which was not founded by Ranade, but it was founded by Vishnu Shastri Pandit, and it was founded at Bombay in the year 1865, and Justice Ranade was one of the members of Widow Remarriage Association and later on brought about various remarriages. Thereafter, Justice Ranade also established something called as Pune Sarvajanik Sabha in 1870s. Now we can see that Justice Ranade was involved in various organizations or sabhas, and therefore in 1870s he also established his own called as Pune Sarvajanik Sabha. Thereafter, he also edited an Anglo-Marathi newspaper or daily which was titled Indu Prakash, and this was started by Vishnu Shastri Pandit in the year 1862. So he edited, he did not start it, he edited the paper. It was written in Anglo Marathi and it was a daily paper titled Indu Prakash, and this paper Indu Prakash was started by Vishnu Shastri Pandit in 1862. So you have to be very careful when you read facts as well as contributions associated with important personalities. He edited it. Thereafter he also wrote a book called as Rise of Maratha Power in 1900. So before his death he wrote this book as well, Rise of Maratha Power. Thereafter another important association, that is Widow Remarriage Association, led him to do something which is called as widow remarriages, and he brought about various widow remarriages not only in Maharashtra but also Gujarat till the 1900s. So we see that these important facts as well as contributions associated with Mahadev Ranade are of immense importance as far as the competitive exams are concerned, and holds importance not only in these but also in general terms. So I hope you like this session. Please stay tuned for more. Thank you.